Hello, Mr. Mahmood, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
What do you do?
Nothing special.
Nothing special. Don't you study?
I don't study.
Okay, I thought you are studying in Bauti University.
Yes,
Isn't that right?
right. I am studying in
Okay.
BS Business and Economics.
Today
School
we
of
will
Economics.
we shall discuss about insurance.
Yes.
I am sure that you have heard this word insurance.
Yes. I see the insurance companies and insurance
Okay.
clients.
I will give you some prime example of insurance. Why insurance in your life is important and why it is important for your family. I suppose we start from top. Top means the people who are very rich, who are very professional, who are earning millions of dollars. Yesterday we discussed about footballers. Do you know what is the most precious asset of any footballer?
Yes, absolutely. Legs is a
Yes.
very important asset.
Suppose Lionel Messi plays with left leg.
Yes.
If anything happens to his leg, he will not get contract from any football club. He will not earn millions of dollars.
Yes,
He will not earn millions of euros.
Yes,
Eh,
absolutely right.
So, from to cover that outcome, what will he do? He will get in contact with top insurance companies.
Yes.
He will hire them to get me best possible insurance policy.
Yes.
If anything happens to my leg, they will cover me up.
Cover me up and my
Pay me for my medical,
medical.
pay me for my life, pay me for my luxury.
Luxury.
You know, when you are living luxury life, you can't imagine to live ordinary life again.
Yes.
When you are a footballer, you have millions of dollars, you have big cars, you have wealth, you have wealthiest person in your circle.
Yes.
But if you are not playing at any club, you will not get media attention. Soon everyone will forget about that. Who will remember you that time? Insurance companies. Suppose I am earning millions of dollars and I haven't insured my leg if I am a footballer or my medical. I will end up bankrupt because I will have to spend all my earning on medical.
Yes.
Now come to the second part.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, I will not talk about developing countries. I will talk about developed countries just
Yes.
like USA, UK,
Yes.
Britain, France, Italy.
Okay.
In those countries, what ordinary people do? You are an ordinary person.
Yes, I am.
You just married. You have one kid,
Okay.
and you are in construction business, but you are not earning very much.
Yes.
You have a kid that one day ending up to go to college when he will be 18 years old or 17 years old or 19 years old, and college expenses are that much and not and no one ordinary person can afford to pay that.
Yes, absolutely
Okay,
right. Okay.
what they will do?
I do contract a insurance company to pay my fees.
Yes, to pay your college fees of your kids.
Kids.
Okay, now the most expensive hospitals are in USA. If you haven't insured your medical, if you have any kind of injury, any kind of fever, any kind of disease, you cannot even enter in the hospital. Do you know what is the maternity fee of one lady who is giving birth to a child? A normal delivery,
I do not.
approximately $35,000 to $55,000. So, what they will do? Everyone will show that they will get best possible insurance policy to cover their future medical expenses, future education expenses.
Yes, life is very important for all humans because life is a one time in my.
Okay, I think you should stop. I think you should stop listening to him. You should focus on that video.
Yes, okay.
You know, my English is not good. It's not that good. I can't speak fluent English. I'm trying my best to speak as good as possible. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me and Mudassar are talking about benefits of insurance. We have talked two aspects of life. One of a person who is very wealthy, like a sports and athlete, a footballer, and second who is an ordinary person of USA. The medical expenses in USA are so expensive. If you are giving birth, a normal birth, you will end up spending 35,000 to 55,000 per night. No one can imagine, no one can afford to pay that much of amount. Okay?
Okay. I
No.
have a question.
You have a question for me?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a question for your company, for your business. This insurance company pay the education fees for my children.
Yes, if you have a child who is just born or 3 or 4 years old, and you get covered from, you get contact with the insurance company, you you will pay them regular insurance fee, and that is education fee. When they will be older, like 18-19 year old, and they qualify for some college, you can ask insurance company to pay on your behalf. Okay.
And they they also pay to pay my children's marriage.
No, unfortunately, that is not true. In United States of America or other European company, marrying is not cost as much as in Pakistan or India. In Pakistan or India, they spend like 3 to 4 days on marriage, different functions like hina, mehndi, barat, walima. There is no such concept in USA or any developed countries. They will not spend that much amount. They will call like 50 to 60 close friends and relatives, and that will be a 30 to 30 minutes to 1 hour ceremony, and everyone will go their home. They spend money on their honeymoon. Yes. Hope you understand what I am trying to say.
I understand for all that.
You know, this culture is very popular in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Especially in India, marriage is about 6 to 7 or 8 days. Whole relative of from boys' side come home earlier, like 7 to 8 days early. Okay. Everyone have to like spend 7 to 8 days in a home. You know, expenses. Then the main expense. If you have any kind of question relating to insurance, please don't hesitate to ask me.
I have a question. That type of companies are fake in real life.
Okay, I understand. You said there are many fake companies who are working in different locations. They show them they are from insurance companies. They ask for money, like pay them very high amount, and they insure to like very high return. First of all, you have to ask them about their business number, okay, their company number. If you are in United States of America, you will ask them their LLC number. You can check on by yourself if they are real insurance company or not. They must have their website. They must have their client. You can ask any of your relative. You can ask any of your friend if you know anything about that. That is not a major issue.
Okay.
Any other question?
Yes, I have.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like. Very informative video from the sir. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.